The phrasal verb shut down. To shut means to close something. Shut the door, please. To shut down has 4 meanings. Shut down means to stop operating. My computer suddenly shut down. My computer suddenly shut down. The system shuts down automatically at night. The system shuts down automatically at night. The machine shut down because it overheated. The machine shut down because it overheated. Synonyms: to switch off, to power off. Shut down means to close a business or organization. Several local businesses have shut down. Several local businesses have shut down. The company shut down 2 stores last year. The company shut down 2 stores last year. The restaurant was shut down after the inspection. The restaurant was shut down after the inspection. Synonyms: to cease operations, to go out of business. Shut down means to stop someone from speaking or continuing. They tried to shut him down, but he kept talking. They tried to shut him down, but he kept talking. Don't shut her down. Let her explain. Don't shut her down. Let her explain. The criticism shut him down completely. The criticism shut him down completely. Synonyms: to silence, to stop. Shut down means to stop communicating or become emotionally unresponsive.
When I asked him what was wrong, he shut down. When I asked him what was wrong, he shut down. She shuts down whenever we talk about money. She shuts down whenever we talk about money. He completely shut down after the argument. He completely shut down after the argument.
Synonyms: to withdraw, to clam up. The most common expressions: shut down completely, shut down automatically, shut down a business, shut someone down, shut down emotionally. If you found the video helpful, please leave comments and likes.